So slowly.
This is on the pirate ship.
Oh my. Yeah, the one goes upside down.
Oh, yeah.
That's quite cool. Oh, I can feel it a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh God. Can you feel it?
Yeah. There we go, we can repeat it now.
Woo! God. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
I'm hungry. Oh my
Whoa,
goodness.
whoa.
Oh, okay.
Whoa. Holy!
Holy moly! Whoa! Oh, sure, you took the right spot to go backwards. Ooh. Have you seen the ones go upside down?
None of these go upside down, no.
I think the other ones do.
They don't. No, these ones don't go upside down, I'm afraid. Because there's no counterweight, you see. If it had the counterweight, it would go upside down, but
It would be cool if it does.
it won't be. It'd be terrifying.
Oh, yeah, it was.
But these are... I think this looks brand new, like it isn't look old. Other than that waltzer. Yeah, I prefer the new one compared to that one. I'm probably never going to do that waltzer. Looks horrible. Outdated.
What that's called?
That waltzer, it's... remember, they got a new one called Dominator.
Yeah.
That's the old version. The OG. Now we've got the new one. There we go. It took ages to break.